I don't really know what to tell you, except that you may be a basic Betty. Hey friend, welcome to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all that, like all of that, girl. Why don't you use your index finger and subscribe? Oh girl, I'm giving you all this cranberry sauce. It's not even Thanksgiving. It's not even, and I'm not no turkey, but I'm giving you all this cranberry sauce right here, okay? The hair, the turtleneck, the nails, the everything, okay? I'm putting you in the mood. I have been doing so many fall inspired videos. This video isn't necessarily fall inspired as far as the content, but I dressed up for you, okay? I have on a turtleneck. It's not even cold, okay? So let me just give you a little gist of what I'm wearing in case you're wondering. Let's get that out the way. This turtleneck, this gorgeous turtleneck is from Rainbow. I hauled this in a couple videos. You can check it out. This is like $9 for this. This is a layered necklace that I got from Boohoo, also in my last Boohoo haul. These nails are going to be launching mid-November with Sugar Scoop Beauty, which is mine. Okay, I have the link below to our IG page so you can stay up to date for when the actual launch date is posted. So definitely follow us there. So this is from Sugar Scoop Beauty. Also, this is one of the glosses that I formulated and I made. It's called Neapolitan. Let's talk about Neapolitan. Like, tell me what you think about it. Like, look at it. It's a mauve pink color. The reason I called it Neapolitan is because when I was formulating and trying to get the color together, the colors that I mainly mixed were like a bright pink and a white and a brown, and it just got this, it gave me this mauve beautiful shade, and it's just like the ice cream, you know, those three, the flavors in the ice cream. So, you know, I thought it was a cute name. What do you think? Let me know. But it looks beautiful. It's super shiny, very moisturizing. Girl, please follow my business page because you and your friend and your mom and your cousin, none of you want to miss this. Not one of you want to miss this, okay? I actually have a little sample container of it so you guys can see what it looks like. This is the color here. So you can see it. So pretty. I have on a brown lip liner with it, and this is such a gorgeous color, guys. It's so beautiful, and I worked really hard on these lip glosses because I when it comes to things like this, am a perfectionist, and I can, you know, have a lot of obsessive behaviors and trying to get something right. But when it's right, trust me, look at me. Have I ever steered you wrong? Trust me, these glosses are going to be some of the best, creamiest, moisturizing, the most comfortable to wear glosses that you and your friend and your cousin and your mom have ever experienced. Don't believe me, just watch. Remember I told you. Don't even play with me. Okay, so I'm done plugging my business, but I just have to let you know, I gotta let you know, okay? So this video is about eyelashes and my favorite lashes and my recommendations. This video only features 2 companies because I mainly only wear these 2 companies' lashes, and I just want to put you on. In my videos, in every single video, I have at least 1 or 2 comments asking about the lashes that I'm wearing because these lashes pop so much. They make my look, just me in general, come together. I'm not even really that cute. Like I'm not even that cute, girl, without these lashes. Okay, but I definitely want to like put you guys on. One of the companies, I have coupon code for, which is Cateyeglamour. I'll have it on the screen, and I'll also have it in the description in case you want to go ahead and purchase these lashes. But I am a brand ambassador for Promise Minks, which is one of the companies that I'm going to be featuring. And her lashes, I mean, I have one on now. Like, her lashes don't even play. Don't even play. Okay, so first let's start off with the lashes that I'm wearing right now, which are by Promise Minks. This style is called Lifetime. I've been wearing this one a lot lately. It's my newer lash from her. I'm gonna be getting some more pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. But this one I love this lash. Every time I get another lash, I thought the last one was my favorite, and then I get a new one, and the new one is my favorite. But Lifetime has been on my eyes on the last several videos that you guys have watched. I absolutely love it. When I wear her lashes, I don't wear eyeliner. I really don't wear eyeliner much in general, and it's not needed. I know some people wear eyeliner to cover the band of their lashes. However, with her lashes, it's absolutely not necessary. And my eyes are small, so I don't really want to wear much eyeliner because it just closes off my eye, and then you won't be able to see my shadows and all of that. So I love, ooh, I love these lashes. And this is called Lifetime. So this is a lash that you can look for on her site if you choose to. But I got a coupon code if you want to check out. Okay. So another lash that I like on her site, or that I love rather, is one that's called Kai. I don't know if Kai is still available, but you can always check. But this is Kai. This is a more natural, I would say, like an everyday lash. Absolutely love this. All of these lashes can be worn over and over and over, because I've had these for months actually, and they haven't gone bad yet. So I just have a real lash stash, trust me. But these are called Kai. These are definitely more on the natural side. Absolutely love these lashes. And it was in one of her sorry, that was kind of loud, but the suitcase packaging. She changes up her packaging a lot. She actually comes out with collections, so she doesn't restock the same lash over and over and over and over. She has like new collections that come out, so definitely frequent her website because it changes. And even if you don't see Kai exactly, you're going to see something similar, because when she launches, she has something similar. It may have a different name, but it's similar in style. So definitely take your time and kind of like walk through the aisles, or virtually walk through the aisles of her website, and you'll see something for you. So she always has different types of lashes, and I like that. I like that she comes out with new ones because it keeps me excited, because, you know, I'm into lashes. And if you're watching this video, you're into lashes. If you don't wear lashes, then I suggest you start implementing that into your, you know, your diet, exercise routine. Lashes, put that in the middle. All right, so another lash that I wore down, like I wore this lash out, it was when she had this collection here. This is called Flirt With Me, and these are definitely more dramatic. These are them. They're more dramatic, they're spacey, they're just so glamorous and baby doll like. These lashes are so beautiful. They are, like I said, they are on the more dramatic side, so they're heavier and they are longer in length. But girl, let me tell you something. This lash has gotten the most questions, answers, comments. This, not answers, but like questions and comments about it. Flirt With Me. And my videos, Flirt With Me, was so, like, everybody just really loved that one. If I can find a picture, an old picture of me with it, I'll definitely insert it. Throughout the video, I'll try to insert me with the lash, if I can find the pictures, okay? If I can remember which one is which. But this one, absolutely. Flirt With Me. If you like dramatic, spacey sort of lashes, like dramatic and flirty and long, these lashes are it. These lashes are it. I love this when I have straight black hair. I look so good. Girl, so good. Okay, so definitely check out and see whether or not she has Flirt With Me. Again, if you don't see Flirt With Me, honey, you're gonna see something very similar. You will not be disappointed, trust me. You're gonna see something very similar. So it's shorter length in between, then it gets longer, then it gets shorter. So I would consider this a flirty lash. So bomb, so bomb. All right, so the next lash that I have, it is called Sunday. Okay, Sunday isn't, I put it in an old packaging. This isn't the box that it belongs in. This was actually for one that was called Marley, which was another lash that I wore the hell out. And I can't find Marley because, you know, like at the end of the night when you take your makeup off and you know, try to like get ready for bed, wash your face, and you peel that lash off and you put it somewhere. Well, I don't remember where that somewhere was. So Marley is lost. She lost in the sauce, okay? I don't even know where she at. But I put Sunday in it. Sunday is actually very similar in style. Like I told you, she'll launch something new that's extremely similar, different name. But look at it. These lashes, I'm gonna tell you, I have a type. I don't know if you noticed it already. I like lashes that are like thick, and they get like thin, and then they get, you know, like spacey, fluttery. This type of style makes you look so baby doll like. It makes your eyes look so open and bright without weighing them down. So you can get away with wearing long lashes if they're spaced out that way without looking like the lashes actually weighing your eye down. So for my type of eye, because I do like full lashes and I do like long lashes, I can get away with it if the lashes have spaces in between. So it takes some of the bulk away from it. So, you know, just in case you didn't already know that. People with small eyes who love dramatic lashes definitely go for something that is like this, where it has the spaces in between. But I absolutely love this. Okay, and I've wore this several times. You can see they're all still intact. There's a little glue on it, of course, but they're all still intact because I put them right back in the packaging because the packaging is really sturdy. So I mean, I use it for storage. Okay, this is Sunday. Look for Sunday. Use the coupon code and buy Sunday. Don't play. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Look at me. Look at me. Okay. Period. Okay. So another Promise Mink lash that I absolutely love, and this to me is more on the natural side, but that's for me. Okay, this is someone that wears dramatic lashes on a daily basis. This is called Yummy, I believe. Yeah, this is Yummy. So this is Yummy. So pretty. See, it's so flirty. This is a shorter lash. It's a little fuller, but it does have smaller spaces in it, which is fine because they are shorter. So this is so cute. I absolutely love. Let me take one out so you can see how fluffy and how gorgeous these lashes are. So hold on here. So you can see how fluffy and how pretty this is. Look at this. Girl, don't even play. Don't even play. Like, what you doing? If you're not convinced yet, then I don't really know. I don't really know what to tell you. Except that you may be a basic Betty. Yeah. And if you are a basic Betty, I actually have lashes for basic Betties. Basic Betty is, I would say, someone that doesn't want all that fluff. They just need something cute, simple that they can wear on a daily basis. Nothing too dramatic. She's not trying to steal the show. She just want to be a basic Betty. And a basic Betty doesn't have to be a bad thing, okay? But you know, we have to cater to basic Bettys. And I got you, because on some days I'm a basic Betty. Not on most, but on some. So let's look at some basic Betty lashes. Okay, now these next three styles are from shopmissa.com. Honey, if you don't know about shopmissa.com, okay, let me tell you. Shop Miss A has the majority of their stock is $1 damn. It's like a Dollar Tree. It's like a Dollar Tree for like makeup and makeup tools, eyelashes, things like that. So definitely check out shopmissa.com if you're not already on. Okay, if you're not already on, I just put you on. So thumbs up the video for that. Anyways, so let's go ahead and look at the first style. Now this is a style that I wore to work every single damn day. Every day I wore this lash. It's super thin and it's so pretty. It's a very thin version and simple version of the ones that I just showed you. And this is in the style Alexis. You see how lightweight they are and how, oh my God, I just love these lashes. This is Alexis and it has the same spacing because you know I got a type, the same spacing, but this is a super, look at this band. It's so thin, it doesn't feel like you have anything on your eye. Of course, the Mink lashes are going to be heavier because the hairs are fluffier, they have more layers, so they're going to feel heavier if you're someone that doesn't wear lashes. Those are going to feel heavy. I wear lashes all the time, so I barely really even feel anything, so it's not a big deal, but you do get adjusted. So these are Alexis, and this, you can buy one lash for $1. Yeah, one lash is $1 on their site. But this is a pack of 6 and I paid like $5.50 for it. So it's a little bit of a bargain if you do it this way. And if you know you're gonna wear them all the time, why not get them in a packaging like this? You know what I mean? So this again is Alexis. So pretty, so pretty. This is $5.80 for 6, or you can buy one for $1. Just put you on. And another favorite style of mine from Shop Miss A, again, this is a very natural lash because it's so thin. This is called Luella. Luella looks long and full a little bit to me in the packaging, but it's very natural and so pretty. Okay, so pretty, so lightweight. It gives you, For me, this is every day. For some people, this may be a little bit of a special occasion, but this is such a lightweight, pretty style. I really love this. It's called Luella. This is another one that I wore to work. Like, I can wear this to Publix, to Walgreens, this type of lash. It's very natural, super pretty. I absolutely love it. Again, this is a 6-pack. You can buy the one for $1 or just buy the 6-pack for $5.50. But this is definitely a bargain, and I absolutely love these lashes, and I will continue to wear these when I don't want to, you know, do too much, when I just want to be a basic Betty. Okay, so the last style that I have is, of course, from shopmissa.com. This lash, I believe, is $1.50. This one's $1.50. This is the AOA Studio Premium Lashes, and it's in the style Krissi. So this is them. These are so cute. These are $1.50. It's very similar to what I have on right now. These are just more fluffy, so they stand out just a little bit more, but it's the same sort of concept. If you just want a, see, this is not basic Betty. This is like, this is turn up Tiffany. Yeah, this is turn up Tiffany. It's not basic Betty, but it's turn up Tiffany, okay? It's like, it's not basic, but it's not dramatic. She right in the middle. We call her turn up Tiffany. I coined these terms, so if you hear basic Betty somewhere, they got it from me. If you hear turn up Tiffany from somewhere, it came from right here. Copyright me. Copyright. Shoot, those my terms. But anyway, turn up Tiffany, also known as Krissi on the website. This is a affordable version of this lash, I would say. These are not minks. They won't last as long. Like, if you wet these, they're gonna crumple and they're gonna turn to paper probably. These, they won't. You can wash them. I wash them with baby shampoo and clean them off. This one, you can wear them. Don't really wet them. Just keep reusing them until you can't really reuse them anymore. But for $1.50, like, ball out. Ball out. I mean, it's a very affordable lash. And look how this is a gorgeous lash. Okay, this is a very pretty, gorgeous lash for $1.50. I just put you on. I'll wait for you to subscribe because I did so much for you today. Subscribe. So class, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to come back. Bring a friend next time, girl. I need our crew to grow, okay? I feel like my videos are top-notch quality, and my channel is growing, to me, pretty fast, and I would like it to grow even faster. Okay, so let's put some water on it and let some sun in, girl. You know, tickle the channel a little bit. But I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video, and if you made it this far, girl, you're the bomb. Make sure you subscribe. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Bye.